Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a freeCodeCamp tutorial on responsive web design principles. And we're going to learn about media queries. Media queries is pretty important in responsive web design, and it was introduced in CSS3 to change the presentation of content based on different viewpoint sizes. So if it meets the rules of the media queries, it will follow the CSS rules depending on it. And this is useful because when you resize things, is how it changes based on that. And you can set CSS rules for each media query length. So for example, this one, this is the syntax to it. This indicating that it's going to be a media query. And this is the rule of if it's a max width of 100 pixel. So when a device's width is less than 100 pixels, we'll follow this rule. So if you have images, you want to delete images, if certain styling is only good for small devices versus large devices, this is what you make. And you can see media queries just have so much lines of code to make it how you want to do. And here's another example of media of a minimum height. So it goes from max width, min width, max height, min height, and the height of it. So if there's a height of at least 350 pixels, it'll follow these CSS rules. So for this exercise, you want to add a media query so that the p tag has a font size of 10 pixel when the device height is less than or equal to 800 pixel. So here we can, to access media query, we just use @media. And what do we want? When the device height is less than or equal to 800 pixel. So at max, the height is 800 pixel. So max height 800. And now we need the curly brackets. Now we do the rule we want to do, and we want to change the P. So we do P, and we're going to change the font size to 10 pixels. And that will be all for this one. Thank you. I forgot the pixels. And there you go, we can see the change. And that will be all for this one. Thank you so much.